Okay, I'm gonna start again and do this properly. This is our HP laptop, yeah? We're trying to replace the keys, yeah? If you look here, you will see it's got like a rubber grommet, rubber mount stand, grommet, call it whatever you like, yeah? This one is missing, so you got some idea of what you're looking at, yeah? So you need that in place. Then this part here comes in two parts, which is here. 1, 2. They're locking together by these edges, yeah? These two edges presses in. You will see the two catches at the side where they're pressing. Once they're pressing, you must make sure that they do sit flat. Yeah, there's a little shape here, a little cutout here. That is what we use to line them up to make sure it's the right way around. Yeah. Once you've got that, then the outer casing slides. Let me just get this one over here. The outer casing, which is this one is your inner, yeah? That one is your outer. That outer edge there slides under there and there, yeah? Once it's slid under there, it slides that direction, I believe. Yeah, once it's under there, and you press it down, and then these two bits, there and there, will lock into there and there. Yeah, those two bits. Once you get it to that stage, this is where you're at now. Yeah. So if you lift this some way, somehow, it's a bit awkward. There you go. You can see if I pick it up and I turn it sideways, you can see. Yeah. Now, once you get to that stage, all you need to do then is get your key, position it where it should be. So if I get it roughly where I want it, drop it on there, use my screwdriver, just tidy it up a little bit to roughly where I think it should be. Yep, that's sort of good enough for me. And then I press down on it. I can also move it at the same time while I'm trying to line it up with my finger. And I press down on it, you hear it clip on, and it should line up. Yeah, there you go. Just use my key, raise it up, and there you go, good as new. And that's how easy it is to replace your key on your keyboard once you got these bits, obviously. Yeah, okay, good luck.